there. By 2, 3, by 2, get 36. Then by 3, 1, by 3, get that one as 1, 2. So you are left with 12 over 10. That is equivalent to, you just cancel this, you introduce one decimal point, you get the answer as 1.2 in decimal form. So this is the answer. That is the answer. And then we can move on to number 7. Find the perimeter of the square garden whose area of 64 hectares. What is the length of the garden in meters? What is the length of the garden in meters? Find the perimeter of the square garden whose area is 64. So if we have a square garden, first of all, this is a square garden, it means that the length and the width are equal. Or length L is equal to W, length is equal to width. Then it means that we can say that L times we can say that L squared is equal to the area. That is, length times length is equal to area is 64. That means that the square root of 64 and you get the length from here. And then find the square root of 64, you realize length is equal to 8 centimeters. 8 hectares. That is 8 hectares. And now we have this at L is equal to 8 hectares. That means that since all sides of a square are equal, it means that this side is 8 hectares and this is 8 hectares. So to calculate the perimeter of this square garden, what you do is you add all the signs, because perimeter is all way round. Perimeter is all way round. So this is another 8 hectares. This is another 8 hectares. And therefore, what you do is you add all the way around. That's 8 plus 8, 16 plus 8, 24 plus 8, 32. Get 32 hectares as what? As the perimeter and our answer. This is correct. Well, that's good. Let us move on. Then the other part you are told, construct using a ruler and a pair of compasses an isosceles triangle of base 8 centimeter and each of the other side by 6 centimeter each. So this is first of all, to construct an isosceles triangle. To construct an isosceles triangle, you realize that first of all, the sides which are not equal are not begun with. Or you can choose, first of all, you construct the 8 centimeter straight line using this and just a sketch. This is a sketch. So what you do is you are told, construct using a ruler and a pair of compasses an isosceles triangle of base 8 centimeter, and each of the other side should be sides sides by 6 centimeter each. Now if you are told that these other sides should be 6 centimeter each, then it means that the sides which are equal should be 8 centimeter each, should be 6 centimeter each. So this one is 8 centimeter, and then this we can call this A, B, it's A and B, and then you can come with a compass, yes, a compass. Then from this point you can make you can measure 8 centimeter, extend the compass, extend the compass 8 centimeter. The compass, you can extend it 8 centimeters. Then you can make one arc there without extending. You can make another arc around there, another using the same 8 centimeter, and then from that point you connect the point at the center there with A, very straight line. Then another point will be very straight line. Then you realize that you have constructed an isosceles triangle with all properties of an isosceles triangle with these base angles equal. So theta and theta equal, and this is call it alpha. Thank you. That's our mathematics lesson for today. We shall proceed from there. That's number 9 during our next class. Good evening.